Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn how to use Autodesk Inventor Revolve command to make a 3D part in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. First we are going to construct the outer profile. So from back I'll show you, this profile will look like this and this will be from front. Okay. So go to part 1, take a 2D sketch. Select here the XY plane. Now take the line command. Select the center point. First make a rough sketch. Okay. So as this part is big, so we are going to make a rough sketch like this. This till here. One like this. One here. Here. And this will be the closing profile. Okay. Now we are going to give the dimensions. Go to dimension. Here first define this dimension. This will be 162.5. Okay. Now here the other dimension will be, we will define this. This will be 112.5 and this third one will be 102.5. Okay. Now we will define this. This will be 24. Here this will be 90. Okay. And the total distance here will be of 174. Now finish sketch. Here take revolve. Select the center axis and press OK. So this is the outer profile. Okay. So this is the outer profile of this. Now we are going to make the cut profiles. So for the cut profile, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. So you can see the inner sketches. Now go to 3D model, take 2D sketch, origin and select the XY plane. Here take the line command, select the center point. Here we will make the sketch one by one. Select here, select a rough sketch first. Okay. So we are making a rough sketch. Okay. So this will be the depth. Now I'll move here and here, one like this, and this will be the joining profile. Okay. Now I'll close this profile, join till here and make one line here. Okay. Now this is a closed profile. Escape. Now we will define the dimensions. Go to dimension. Define this dimension here. This will be 85 mm. Okay. And this will be 82.5. The next one. Okay. Deselect this. Go to dimension again. Select this and center line. This will be 59 mm. Okay. So the next dimension, we have a lift here. Escape. So this profile here will be lifted upward. Okay. So here I'm going to give the dimension. So go to dimension again. Define this as 70. This side also 70 will be made automatically. Okay, you can see. Escape. Now here go to dimension. Define this dimension first. This will be 12. The next dimension, this will be 14 mm. Okay. Now this dimension here will be of 20 mm and height here will be of 18 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now we want this a symmetric profile. So go to line, select the center point and make a straight line over here. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now go to dimension. Define an angle here of 30 degree. Okay. Now here you can see the angle varies both the side. So select the center line, select this corner, define angle at half of 15 degree. Escape. Okay. Now we have defined this. Now the next dimensions which we are going to constrain, go to dimension, define this distance here as 52. Okay. The next dimension which we are going to define here will be, okay, this dimension from this point to this point. This will be a 43 dimension. Okay. Escape. Now this will be the cutting profile dimensions and the profile which we are going to cut. Okay. You can note it down. Now finish sketch. Now here take the revolve command once again. This time we are going to take cut. Okay. The revolve will be full, and for axis select this as center axis. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Now you are able to see the cut profile. Now press OK. So this will be a cut profile here. Okay. Now here select this edge. We want to give a chamfer. So here we will select the chamfer. The chamfer here will be of 8 mm and press OK. Okay. Now the next, rotate this profile. We are going to make the mounting holes. Go to part 2. We have completed this portion. Now we are going to make this back part. Okay. Here you can see we have two type of holes. One are the M10 holes, and these are the through holes, drill holes. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, select the center point, make a circle here of diameter 280. Okay. Now on this diameter, make one more circle of diameter 22 and escape. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, escape, select this circle, make it construction. Now take the circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis, select this as axis of rotation, and here we are going to take a count of 8 and press OK. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, flip the direction to cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Okay. Now select this face again, create sketch. Now this time take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 200 mm and escape. Okay. Select this circle, make it construction. Now here we are going to give the M10 holes. So we are going to take point command, select the point on this circle, okay, and escape. Take vertical constraint once again, select this point, select the center point, okay. Now take the circular pattern, select this point, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. Take here a count of 4 and press OK. Now finish sketch, go to 3D model, take hole command here. Now here we are going to take tapped hole, okay, and here I am going to take isometric profile, and the size here we will take of 10 mm, okay. Now it will ask you if you want a through hole, so we want a distance, so the total distance here will be of 35 mm, okay, and the thread distance will be of 30 mm. Now press OK. Now we have made this profile as well. Now if you want to see the depth of cut or of this thread, go to view. From here we are going to select the quarter section view, okay. Now here we will select the XY plane, okay, and press OK. Go to front view. Now you can see the cut section view. Here you can see the thread depth and the hole or the drill hole, and this will be a through hole, and these are the cut profiles which we have made in ID. Okay. Now if you want to come back from this, from here click end section view, so we'll back to the full part. Okay. Now here go to 3D model, take fillet. Now we have to give the radius of 2 mm. So select this edge, select this edge, select this, select this. Okay. Okay, it has selected the inner edge. Press shift and unselect. Okay. Now select this. Press OK. Now we have completed this. Now we are going to define the appearance. From here I'll take the chrome polished finish. We will take here chrome polished. Okay, so this will be the complete part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to use the revolve command to construct and to cut the profiles. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.